What's good with y'all? Appreciate y'all for tuning in with the channel. Hey y'all, we got a student pilot who loses engine mid-flight. That's gotta be the worst thing to ever think about, bro. Just imagine if you're cruising in the air, right? And then your plane start acting up. It's like, bro, if you can't fix that, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Cause I mean, it's not like you could just hop out. You know what I'm saying? You're not gonna survive if you hop out. So I mean, I'm curious to see what he did, bro. Cause I don't know. Planes do be scaring me sometimes. When I was on my flight a few days ago, well, I'll say about a week ago, I thought the turbulence was gonna knock us out the air. I don't know. I'll be praying, bro. I'll be like, please, God, just don't let anything happen to me in the air. At least let me be 10 toes down. You know what I'm saying? But hey, y'all, let's jump into this video and let's see what they got.
Concord Tower, Cessna 117 Tango Sierra, about 9 miles to the southeast, requesting full stop.
Man, this is a
Have
student.
hotel.
A student. Like, no. It's gotta hurt. See me in that circumstance, I don't know what to do. I'm gonna be like, bro, like, do I have a parachute? Cause forget the plane. I'm jumping out the plane if I got a parachute.
Cessna.
Right down. 2.
Concord Tower, Cessna 117 Tango Sierra, I'm identing. I'm losing my engine.
Like, bro, how do you say that calmly? How do you say calmly that I'm losing my engine? I'm losing power. Like, my guy, like, come on, man.
Cessna 117 Tango Sierra. I'm sputtering in and out and losing power. I've pulled carb heat. Everything else is in the green. Looks like my oil pressure has dropped.
All right, well, you can...
What? See, it's too much commotion going on. Like, I have to communicate with the other dude over the radio about what's happening in my plane that I'm the one scared about, because I'm scared that I might die. I'm in the plane. You need to... Bro. I don't get it. I don't get it. Nah, but hey, he trying to stay calm. I mean, I salute him for that. But honestly, I would not be able to stay calm. That's just me though.
Proceed direct
You know
to
what
the
I'm saying?
runway 117 Tango Sierra, clear to land, and I'm ready for you.
Okay, it's coming back and I'm losing it, and I'm over a residential area. I don't have a lot of places here.
Oh.
I have pitched for altitude.
Okay,
Bro, like, these situations are so tough. It's like, what do you want me to do? At least he's trying, though. He's smart enough to keep trying. Some people be like, oh, well.
I have lost 4.
You know, like, I'm going to let the wind take me where it's going to take me. Like, nah.
I have no engine.
Look, bro. Look, the propeller is not even moving. Like, bro, what do you do? What do you do? Ah. That's tough. So tough.
Roger, no engine. We got guys coming.
He's just gliding now. He just got to make sure he's able to land somewhere. Okay, see that grass area? He could probably land over there,
looking for a
but
field here.
still.
I'm gonna try to drop in.
Roger that.
Still, bro. Bro, that's scary. The fact that you're still able to glide with certain planes is crazy.
I'm gonna attempt a landing in a field right now.
117 Tango Sierra, Roger. I notified Charlotte. They got people sending as soon as they can to you.
Oh, no. What do you do, bro? Like, it's impact. It's happening. You just have to watch it. Literally, just watch what's happening before your eyes. Because you can't do nothing else. You know what I'm saying? Like, and it's like if you crash, you done. If you survive, you got a story to tell. You got a whole story to tell for sure. And he landed it? Ooh.
I have touched
Blessings on blessings, man. He should be lucky he survived that.
Holy shit.
Yeah, you better cuss after that one, because that's your whole life before your eyes, man. You know, I'm happy you made it, though, because planes, they scare me. Even though they're safer than cars, it's still like it's in the air, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like it's another. I don't know. I don't know. It's just another thing, and planes scare me sometimes. But hey, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope y'all made sure to like this video. Make sure you comment. Make sure you subscribe to catch up with all my videos. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Your boy CJ is out of here, y'all. Tune in with my next video. Peace.